Hello friends, it's Vanna from Success Point. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, we are going to discuss repeat sentences. आप YouTube पे बहुत सारी वीडियो करते हैं जो कि काफी लेंदी होती हैं, 1 आवर 1.5 आवर, जिसमें आप सुनते हैं और रिपीट करते हैं. बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग न्यू कि आपका टाइम कम जाए. ये एक लेस कंज्यूमिंग थिंग है. इसमें मैं आपको 15 और 20 मिनट्स में ही 100 रिपीट सेंटेंसेस करवा दूंगी और साथ में आपको पीडीएफ भी प्रोवाइड करा दूंगी सो दैट आप रिवाइज कर सको. ठीक है. आप इस पीडीएफ को ट्वाइस और थ्राइस रिवाइज करना और आपका अच्छे से एग्जाम में अटेम्प्ट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो ये एक अक्टूबर प्रेडिक्शन फाइल है रिपीट सेंटेंसेस की. 100 हम आज कर लेंगे, 100 हम कल करेंगे. तो आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे और आपको पीडीएफ फाइल भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी. ठीक है. तो इस तरह से आप अपनी अच्छी तैयारी कर सकते हो. द फर्स्ट वन इज प्लीज मेक श्योर ऑल वर्क्स फॉलो द डिपार्टमेंट गाइडलाइंस. टू मेजर डिस्टेंस could take as much as 3 weeks. Elephant is the largest land living animal. There is considerably less supervision at university. आप वीडियो आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं सिंपली पीडीएफ भी आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकती थी, बट नहीं. सम टाइम कई बार आपके पास पढ़ने का भी समय नहीं होता, तो आप को भी ट्रैवल कर रहे हो या आप किसी काम और कोई काम कर रहे हो तो आप सिर्फ सुन सकते हो, तो उससे भी आपकी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी. ठीक है. So we need to make sure the school principal knows about the changes. आगे. We didn't mean to ask him to do it because he cannot manage it. I'm sorry for being late for today's lecture. The latest version of the operating system has many flaws. The pollution in New Delhi has reached an alarming level. The student housing is of very high quality but still affordable. Care needs to be taken for vulnerable groups during the period of turmoil. In 1880, cycling became a major phenomenon in the United States. Is the hypothesis on black hole rendered moot as explanation of the explosion? तो कुछ डिफिकल्ट भी हैं, अगर आपने सुने होंगे तो ही आप कर सकते हो. Expertise in particular areas distinguishes you from other graduates. Next one. Make sure the financial director knows the full details of the pay agreement. We want to attract the very best students regardless of their financial circumstances. The older equipment has been put at the back of the building. The generic biology technology is located at the north wing of the library. Negative discourse continues to be predominant in discussion of gender. 20th, the United States has the maximum production of chocolate. I don't understand what the comment of my essay means. Next, if you want to sell all your books, it must have a list of bibliography. The Student Service Center is located on the main campus behind the library. It can come as right from dictation as well. So please, आपको ये बहुत ही ध्यान से करने हैं. ठीक है. Next one. Higher fees make students think more critically about what universities can offer. History is not the simple collection of dates and events. Please pass the handouts along rest of the people in your row. Students are competing for every place in the computer courses. This is a prestigious program for our university. 29th, our School of Arts and Technology accepts applications at all times throughout the year. There are a range of housing options near the university. The new English class will start on the next Monday morning. All sources of materials must be included in your bibliography. Okay, please listen. I am speaking very slow each and every sentence so that you can memorize it easily. The lecture was meant to start at 10. His objection to include scientific evidence has brought a lot of controversy to him. The professor is going to discuss the conflict. Wait a minute. Okay. Many undergraduate students go back home to stay with their parents after graduating. Essays with few or no citations will be regarded as invalid. I find teaching very satisfying. It is great to see students do well. Good cheap accommodation close to the university is in high demand. If you give me the details, I can give you an answer by tomorrow morning. The next one is the transition from school to university can be a difficult one. My mother always says, pack for 1 week before you go on vacation. The next one is we were hoping to get started on our research as we have only got 2 weeks. We wanted to find out the responses from a range of international students in Australia. See how many words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So maximum the biggest sentence you can get of 15 words. Okay, so you have to prepare carefully. These days you cannot go like you have to practice hard if you really want good score. Okay, we wanted to find out the responses from a range of international students in Australia. We get really good study guides that have all the information we need. 46th. Today, we are going to talk broadly about the second stage of project management. Okay, everything is fine. Yep. The night trains were filled with the British students. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 words. Okay, the shortest one. The shortest one you can get of 8 words. The longest one you can get of 15 words. The lengthy one. Okay. The student cards are issued by administration offices. It is vital that you keep your credit card details and report your loss to the police. 50th, don't underestimate the stress that plays importance in exam performance. So the small tip here is listen to understand. Not don't try to take notes while listening because it's not I would say mm, very much a reliable thing to take notes. Many students skip that. So please listen to understand. Be careful, be attentive. Okay. So this is my small tip for you people. The next one is today I'm here to explain some of the student support services. We handed out almost 400 surveys to international students. There's considerably less supervision at university. We preferred to stay in local pubs or student hostels. Psychologically, stress affects the way you think. You should not have any problems making general conclusions for your survey. Companies are offering us all kinds of internet connected devices. Some young people seem to be addicted to their cell phones. So, if you will listen carefully, you will understand the sentence and you can repeat same. So, just you need to pay attention, you need to practice carefully. I think of those leaders who inspire us to go beyond the call of duty. Back in the 1940s and 1950s, people smoked cigarettes frequently. How can we inspire people and ourselves to be self motivated? For human beings, breathing is a symbol of life. Small and very sweet sentence. Okay. I am wondering if cell phones are just as dangerous as cigarettes. This is how we deliver healthcare services to millions of people all over the world. You can take a printout of this PDF and just you can listen carefully how to speak, how to pronounce each and every word, okay? Things happened to me at the age of 12 have completely transformed my life. As humanity begins the colonization of space, raw materials like water have to be sourced. Unfortunately, their immune systems were not strong enough to fight off common bacteria. The cost of taking water and fuel from the earth into space is enormous. 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 These aquatic mammals are trained to patrol the coast. 70. It is part of the brain that allows squirrels to find their nuts. In 2014, scientists used a telescope in space and made a surprising discovery. The key to effective study is being organized. So, yes, if you want effective study, you need to be organized yourself. The rain unleashed deadly floods and landslides that swept away roads and buildings. I am pronouncing each and every word very slowly so that you can listen carefully and you can understand it. Okay? The research is relevant, especially in an applied setting. Studies suggest there may be a correlation between educational achievement and family size. Students with queries about these terms timetables must speak to their tutors immediately. The researcher looked at neighborhood cooperative schemes such as community gardens. Economy of scale is the increase in efficiency that occurs when more goods are produced. The university is working towards being more environmentally sustainable. Unlike applied arts, fine arts do not serve a practical function. So 20 more. Stay patient, stay calm, and focused. Factors such as cost and functionality influence the design of a bridge. You can only choose one subject from biology or media. Biology or media. It's not biology, it's biology, psychology, physiology. Okay, so please pay attention on pronunciation. There is a plan. There's a plan in place for those who have difficulty paying their bills. You should inquire about the direct deposit. Those reference books are too old, while the others are okay. Okay. Our professor is hosting the business development conference. The conference is predicted to draw greater numbers than last year. They have enough works to keep them going. As a student union member, we can influence the change of the university. Animals grow larger and stronger to hunt better. Quite easy. It seems that language appeared from nowhere. So this sort of you can do it. You might get 8 to 10 repeat sentences in the exam. 8 out of 10 will be easy like this. Today we will be discussing the role of the government in preventing injustice. We didn't have any noticeable variance between the 2 or 3 tasks. The hypothesis needs to be tested in a more rigorous way. Rigorous way. In my free time, I would like to read newspapers. His lecture is always useful and stimulative. Your watch is fast, you need to reset it. Quite easy. 8 to 10 words you can repeat easily. Extra seminars will be scheduled to assist you with the revision. Scheduled, you can say scheduled. Scheduled is more in trend now. Extra seminars will be scheduled to assist you with the revision. I don't agree with the author's argument, but his presentation is good. I don't agree with the author's agreement, but his presentation is good. The student welfare officer can help students with the different issues. So this was the last one. There are 100 more repeat sentences. So for October month, if you are taking exam, PT exam, so I believe that you should refer these videos and you should practice, you should revise 3 times. Okay, so I will definitely attach this PDF file in this description box. First listen the video and then read the PDF, and then you are fine. Okay, if you are struggling with PT or NATI, so you can also contact us for online coaching classes. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video with something new for you people. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.